Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In this video, we will see division by decimal numbers, and it is video number 7. In the previous videos, we have done subtraction, addition, real life application, and so many. You can find the link in the description below. So let's see this question. A rectangular plot of land has an area 64.8 square meter. If its length is this, then what is its width? Whenever the word problem come, if possible, sketch it so that picture is very clear to you. So if I'm drawing this rectangle here, area is 64.8, square meter mean its unit. And what is the length? Length is 8.1 meter, and I have to find out its width, right? So suppose this is what I have to find out, width. We know the formula for the area of a rectangle is what? Length into width, right? Area of a rectangle is what? Length multiplied by width. And area was given to me 64.8. Length was given to me, but width I have to find out. How will I find the width? I think all of you understand. If you divide area by the length, then you can get the width. Agreed? So again, both are decimal numbers, and I don't know the table of decimal number. So what technique we have discussed earlier in the previous video? We need to finish this decimal from the denominator, because 8.1 is my divisor. I have to divide by 8.1, and I don't know the table of 8.1. Calculator is not allowed. So I want to finish this, so I will multiply it by 10 so that it can become 81, because multiplication by 10 will move decimal here. Same operation I will apply in the numerator. My focus is denominator. I decide on the basis of denominator, right? I want to finish decimal from the divisor. Okay, so now this is my question. So now I will do the long division here, and I will get my width. So 81. Now nobody knows the table of 81, by the way, right? So what we do? In these type of cases, what we do? We actually work it out right then and there, right? Let me just move it so that I can apply it here. Okay. Now 81 is a 2-digit number, right? If I see a 2-digit number, it is 64, which is less than 81, right? So if you do 81 times 0 is 81, right? And 81 times 0 is 0. Okay, so it means it will be same, and 8 I will bring down. Now I have to see in the table of 81, 648 comes when, and I don't know the table, right? So what I will do multiplication here one by one. Suppose let me try it by 4. Almost half of it. So let me multiply 81 by 8 straight away. I'm just checking it. Sorry, this one 4 ones are 4, right? So I got 81 times 8 is 648. So what is the width? Width is, so you can write here in word problem. I told you it is very important to write the final statement. What is your number representing? So you can say width of the rectangle is equals to 8, but do not just write 8. Don't forget to write the unit, which was meter, right? Because width meter and length meter, when multiply, it becomes square meter. So now let's try this question. I would like you to put the video on pause and try it yourself, but I'm helping you to solve it here. Okay. Now, those who want to try, put the video on pause, okay? I'm not stopping here because it will increase the length of the video. Athlete complete a race of 48.7 kilometer, 75. And how long he ran for that? 3.25 hour. What is the question? Find out the speed. For that, you should know the relationship between speed, distance, and time. Now, if you don't know, I'm telling you here, speed is calculated by dividing distance by time. So speed is equals to distance divided by time. Okay, so here is little advanced, I would say this question. it is actually testing your knowledge of knowing what speed is. So speed is equals to distance divided by time. And what is the distance he covered? 48.75. In how many hours? 3.25. Now 3.25 is my divisor and I don't know the table of 3.25. So I need to finish decimal from the denominator. After decimal there are 2 digits. So I will multiply it by 100. And same operation I will apply in the numerator also. So it will become 4875 divided by 325. 325, 4875. Now we will do long division. And we need to be smart. Why? Because we don't know the table of 325. Do you know? I don't know. Right? Okay. So what is the technique? Technique is, you see here, this is 3-digit number, 325. So pick up 3-digit number from here. So you have to be less than 487. So of course 325 multiplied by 2 will be 600 or 700 something, but still I'm doing it to show you why I will do 325 times 1 only. 650. 650 is bigger than 487, so I will multiply 325 by 1 only. 325 ones are 325, and then I will subtract. 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 2. Now 162 is smaller than 325, so I need to bring down this 5. Okay. Now I will see the table of 325. When does 1625 comes in it? Okay. So let me try it by 5 first. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. Oh, I got it right. There is a technique also to figure it out, but I don't want to discuss now. It may confuse you at this point. So it's better you do the simple method. Okay, trial and error. It doesn't take much if you know the table very well. So 325 multiplied by 5 is 1625. So I can say, when question says what was the average speed, you can say average speed of the race, or you can just write is equals to 15 kilometer per hour. Now how did I get this unit? Because speed is what? Distance and time. Distance was in kilometer, time was in hour. So it is what? Kilometer per hour. By the way, if this question is made tricky, you know what can be done? Think. Can you think about it? Yes, this distance can be given in meter. And then you have to convert it into kilometer. Why? Because because speed is asking in kilometer per hour. So R is present here, but kilometer is not present here. So you need to change it into kilometer first. So these type of little things you need to be very careful about, because if you have done conversion before, so in the same question, the same concept can be checked. Okay. Now after that, there are 2 questions. I have done it for your testing. You test your understanding. Put the video on pause. One question is here, another is here. I'm showing the solution here, but you try it out first. I will not hold the video. So put the video on pause and I'm showing the solution and you try to solve the question. Similarly, for second question, because I said you will put the video on pause, I'm showing you the solution. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. And one thing I forgot to write here is statement, because the question was saying how much money did he save. So you must write here he saved, and what is the dollar? It is dollar given to you here. So you write he saved $112.0875. Thank you. Please share with your friends and press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Take care.